You're going to rank the rational number from least to greatest. To rank these, you have to see which one is bigger, which one is smaller. 1/3, 3/4, or 5/6. Well, the difficult part about comparing these is that the denominator or the bottom number of the fraction are different. So what we have to do here is find the least common denominator, which is called the LCM. So let's try to find it for 3. To do that, we can list out its multiples. 3, then it becomes 6, then 9, 12, then 15, and so on and so on and so on. Then we can do 4. 4, then 8, plus another 4 becomes 12, 15, then, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, dot, dot, dot. Then 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, dot, dot, dot. Okay, what numbers do they all have in common? Which is the smallest? Looks like there's a 12 here, a 12 here, and a 12 here. So the least common multiple is 12. Or you could also call it the least common denominator, which is going to be 12. So to get this 3, which is on bottom, to become 12, we have to multiply it by 4. We also have to do it to the top as well. The 4 over 4 becomes the number 1. That's why we're allowed to do that. Then we have the 3 over 4. And to do that, we have to multiply this by 3 because 4 times 3 is 12. And we also have to do that to the top as well. Okay, because 3 over 3 is just 1. Lastly, the 5 over 6. We have to multiply this by 2 to get that into 12. We also have to do it to the top as well. So now we can find the new number. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, that's the first fraction. 1/3 is equivalent to 4/12. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. Those are also equivalent. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. That's also equivalent. Okay, now we go from least to greatest. It looks like they're already in order. Least to greatest. And we can just use this symbol. Okay, that's the smallest, then 9/12, then the largest is 10 over 12.